because we are going to actually be learning 2 of our sound spelling cards. So we have our fire and our rose. So we say fire, 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 F, F, F. Actually, we go like this. Let's do it, let's change it a little bit. So instead of doing the fire where we're warming our hands, let's go like that because we make it kind of warm. Okay, so, and we can also do that. How about if we do this, okay, for fire? Okay, I'm gonna change it up because it's hot, right? Fire, 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 F, F, F. And then for rose, we just pretend to spell it, right? So rose, rose, do it with me. Rose, rose, R, R, R. Okay, so now we're gonna look and see which of these starts with one of these letters. So fish. What's the first sound in fish? So that goes here. And then we have fan. What's the first sound in fan? And this is the number, can you say it with me? 4. And we know 4 starts with F. And on number 2, let's see if it's going to be a R or an F. Let's say rope. Do you hear the Rope. Rope starts with R. We have rabbit. Say it again. Rabbit. Rabbit starts with R. And then we have rake. And rake also starts with R. Okay, so now let's look down here. So you should be able to make all these sounds in the word to sound it out. Okay, so let's do it with me. So let's do all these sounds. Fin, fin. And a fin is something that's on a fish. Okay, let's do this, all the sounds. So we have ed, fed. And fed is one of our word families, right? The ed word family. And then this is an, fan. And then we have ip, rip. And we know what happens if something gets ripped. And then at, rat. And then we have odd, rod. And a rod is kind of like a stick, a fishing rod. Okay, now not only do we have 2 sound spelling card letters to learn, we have 2 high frequency words to learn, but they're really easy. The first one is a little easier. This is the word he, and then this one is the word with. We're going to learn later that a TH says f. So when we see a TH in a word, we're going to say f, kind of like putting our tongue under, almost like sticking out our tongue, right? Okay, so let's read this. I'm going to read it to you because these are hard words. It says, he picked a red apple. I go with Ron to the farm. Okay, so now we are going to be reviewing the N family words. I'm going to be writing, I thought I grabbed I think it dropped, so I'm going to use purple. I'm going to put a beginning sound to make an N word, okay? So let's start with putting an H. So, this is almost gone. N, what's the word? Hen. And then I'm going to put an M. N, what's the word? Men. And let's put a P. P. N, pen. And a D. D, N, den. And then I'm going to put someone's name. So if this is someone's name, it needs to be a big letter. Okay, what is this? B, N, Ben. Okay, so let's read them really quickly. So we have hen, men, pen, den, and Ben. Okay, so